Okay, my name's Lucy and I came third in Pen to Print 2016, and my top tips for anyone entering Pen to Print the book challenge would be prepared that it's a really intense experience and that it will be 6 months of your life, that you may have to sacrifice some things like going out with friends, having holidays, that kind of thing, because you will be writing really intensively. Other top tips would be just write your first draft. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about the quality at that stage. Just get it out, get your story out, and that's what your mentor is there for, to then look at your first draft and help you shape it into something better and more improved. If you're going to enter Pen to Print and you've got 6 months to write this book, that what you would do is decide to discipline yourself and carve out some time in your day to write, really. You've just got to make sure that this becomes your focus, that writing is your focus of your day, and it doesn't matter if you've got a full-time job or a part-time job or whatever, that you carve out some time every day to write, because you've now got 6 months. You've got 6 months in order to finish this book. You've got that deadline there that's always looming, and so you really need to get this written. And it's the only way, is just to discipline yourself and to make no excuses other than I've got to sit down and write. Have a space to write, that's really important. And if it can be the same space that you return to, that's really important as well, because it feels like going to work. And treat it like a job, treat it like something that's really important in your life, and give it that time it deserves to sit down and spend those hours devoted to this piece of work that you're working on. Okay, so another tip that I have is that you can always try free writing. So if you haven't written before and you're not quite sure how to start or to approach that horrible blank page that every writer fears, you can try free writing, which is where you just write and write and write anything that comes into your head. It can be about anything at first, just to get the pen flowing, and then and don't stop, don't edit, don't go back, don't look at it, don't read it. Just keep writing, 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 and you'll go back at a later stage and you'll find that things were in there that have emerged, and characters and situations maybe, and some lines that you might like, and it's a start. It gets you into that world. Just get into that world, immerse yourself in it, and then something will come up and you will like something that will become the start of your novel. And my last tip is about how you organise your day. You've got a deadline now. If you're on the Pen to Print book challenge final list, then you've now got a deadline. You've got 6 months to write this book, and so you're going to have to discipline yourself to organise your day so that you get this book written. So my tip would be that you carve out big chunks of your day and devote it to this writing, and that you put all your other things you're supposed to do around that, but your focus is always, I've got to write. If you want to become a published author and find out more information about the competition, click the link.